If you're looking to take advantage of this week's dip, what should you be buying? Our next guest says she is looking for mispriced stocks with idiosyncratic stories. Let's bring in Yana Barton. Yana Barton, manager of the Eaton Vance Focused Growth Opportunities Fund. There should be a Bumble for finding stocks like that. Such character, the way you phrase that. And I know you're not going to give us specific names because you're really active, but what do you look for to find something mispriced in this market where valuations have been so high?
That's a great question. I think for backdrop, first and foremost, well, we have seen a return in the volatility with VIX finally up above 20 level. I think it's important to say that the correlations within the market are still very low and declining, while the spread, meaning the dispersion of return, is very high. And the reason I mention that is this is the optimal time to be a stock picker and picking your spots when there are these sort of unforeseen market sell-offs. And we've seen a few of those, particularly within the growthier areas of the market, in healthcare, consumer, industrials, and actually, obviously, very much in IT as well.
Now, I see healthcare is one of these areas. You've got robotic surgery, genomic research, life science tools. Is the elective surgery, return part of that story? Why do you think some of those are mispriced?
That's exactly it. I think one of the themes that we learned during this earnings season, which was a record-beating earnings season for S&P 500 companies, is there's really this resurgence both in potential CapEx activity as it relates to these med devices and expensive equipment as it relates to robotic surgery, but also just increase in trends and surgeries. When you think about genomic sequencing, I think we just went through the biggest experiment of our lives, where within 2 days we sequenced a virus, and within 42 days we actually had the batch that became the vaccine that, by the way, was 95% effective. I think it has forever changed the landscape of drug development and therapies, particularly within the rare diseases that are 80% of which are genetic in nature.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.